Hi, I am Sadan from .code and welcome to HireOnRank. So in this video, I will guide you through the complete onboarding process. We will start by exploring the latest competitions available on the platform, and then we will see how to create your account, complete your profile, and then participate in the competition. So let's begin. So here on the HireOnRank website, you can see we have a hackathons page where all the latest hackathons are being listed. So currently this new hackathon just opened. So from here we will see the details of the hackathon currently being held. So it's basically a full stack web application hackathon that will basically start on June 20th 2026, and the registrations are already open, so you guys can join from here. So now we will see how to create your account on the HireOnRank website. So from here we will just click on register now, and it will basically take us to the login page. From here we can directly click on the continue with Google button, or we can just write our email, password, and confirm password. So from here I will basically click on the sign up with Google option, and then I will basically log in with Google. So now we are logged in to our HireOnRank profile. So in this onboarding process we need to provide a profile picture. It's basically optional. We can provide, or we can just leave it as it is. Here we need to provide our name and the phone number. So from here I will provide my phone number and the last name, first name, and phone number. From here we will select the degree we are currently pursuing, or we have completed our bachelor's. So from here I will basically select the computer science degree. From here I will select the university. Here are the list of almost all the universities in Pakistan. So from here we can select the university, or we can search for the university. Let's say I want to search for fast. So not fast, it's basically let's just say I want to search for superior. And for the graduation year, let's say I will graduate in 2026 or 2027, or we can enter the date if we have graduated like in 2024, and we will complete the onboarding. So our onboarding process has been completed. Here we can see our profile. Basically it's the dashboard, and from here we can edit our name if you want. We can edit the phone number if you want, and we can even edit the degree, university, and the graduation year. So on the dashboard we will basically see the applied competitions that we have applied to, and here we can see the available list of hackathons. So we will just go to the hackathon page. Here we can see the upcoming hackathons, the in progress hackathons completed, or the hackathons that has been completed, and their result has also been announced. We can see all hackathons from here. From here we can select the type, the published. We can filter out these. So let's just click on the hackathon and see the details from here. So here we can see all the details, the instructions, who can participate, each and everything, basically the rules. So the problem statement will basically be shown here when the competition starts. So when the competition starts, you guys need to come to this page, and from here you need to click on this problem statement tab. From here you will see the problem statement for this competition, and basically the leaderboard will be shown when the results are announced, and the certificate will also be shown when the results are announced. So these are currently locked. So from here I will just click on the register to register in the competition. So here I will give a name. I will say coding dash, and from here I can invite my other members if I want. Suppose I want to invite some one one of my friends, let's say Wahaj @gmail.com. So I can basically enter his Gmail and click on add, or I can either use basically a username of the platform. So from here we can see a username. So my username is basically Sadan Hassan and dash one. So if someone's username is, let's say, so if someone username is Shafin, so I can just click on add and he will be invited. But if it's a wrong name, the system will tell us that it's basically this username does not belong to anyone. So I will just participate as a solo member, and from here I will select the technology stack that I might be using in the competition, or the technology stack that I am more comfortable with. So from here I will select the TypeScript, Next.js, and so on, and from here I will click on the next. So here we can add the promo code, and the discount will automatically be applied, and you will see the discounted price from here. And we need to transfer the amount on this account number in the Mizan bank, and from here we need to upload the receipt payment. So for now I will just submit dummy image, and I will just click on the complete registration process. So the upload a valid image, the file was neither an image or corrupted file. So the file might be corrupted, or it may be an AVF file. So I will just select PNG file and then click on the complete registration process. So the registration process has been completed, and I am basically I have registered for the competition. So from here I can see sorry, I just refreshed the page. So here I can see I have applied to this competition, and if I open this tab, I will basically see my request is basically awaiting for the approval from the admin dashboard. So once the admin confirms my registration, it will just say you have applied for the competition, and once the competition starts, this basically button will be replaced with the submit button, and by then we will just need to click on the submit button to submit our solution. So yeah, that's how you can apply for the competition on HireOnRank.